The Power of Small Steps. Chapter 1, The First Step. Welcome. Today we are not just practicing English, we are building a new version of ourselves. Many people wait for the perfect moment to begin. They wait for the perfect weather, the perfect mood, or the perfect amount of money. But perfection is a trap. The secret to getting ahead is simply getting started. You don't need to see the whole staircase to take the first step. You only need to see the step right in front of you. Every great journey starts with a single, small, and perhaps messy movement. If you are here, listening and repeating these words, you have already won the hardest battle, the battle against standing still. Chapter 2, The Discipline of Consistency. Success is not a sprint. It is a marathon of consistency. It is what you do every day that counts, not what you do once in a while. Think about water hitting a rock. The water is soft and the rock is hard. Yet over time, the water carves a path through the stone. It doesn't do this through strength, it does it through persistence. When you feel tired, or when you feel like you aren't making progress, remember the water. Your daily practice, even just 10 minutes of shadowing, is carving your path to fluency. Do not underestimate the power of showing up when you don't want to. That is where the real growth happens. Chapter 3, Overcoming the Fear of Failure. Why are we so afraid of making mistakes? A mistake is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that you are trying something new. In the world of language learning, every mispronounced word is a teacher. Every forgotten phrase is a lesson. If you never fail, it means you are playing it too safe, you are staying in your comfort zone, but nothing ever grows in a comfort zone. Be brave enough to sound wrong today so that you can sound right tomorrow. Embrace the struggle. The struggle is simply the sound of your brain getting stronger. Laugh at your errors, correct them, and keep moving forward. Chapter 4, The Vision of Your Future Self. Close your eyes for a second while you repeat these words. Imagine yourself a year from now. Imagine speaking with confidence, without hesitation. Imagine the doors that will open for you, the new jobs, the new friends, and the new worlds you will discover. This version of you exists. They are waiting for you at the end of this road, but they require you to work today. Every word you shadow right now is a brick in the foundation of that future. You aren't just repeating sounds. You are claiming your voice. You are proving to yourself that you are capable of change. Chapter 5, The Final Push. As we come to the end of this session, take a deep breath. Feel the energy in your voice. You have just dedicated 10 minutes to your personal growth. That is more than most people will do all week. Do not let this be the only time you push yourself. Carry this momentum into your work, your studies, and your life. You are talented, you are disciplined, and you are becoming more fluent with every passing minute. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep going, keep shadowing, and never stop believing in your potential. I will see you in the next session.